Thank you for joining me today for this Ragdoll Pose breakdown. This is a gentle variation of a forward fold, and it stretches not only your ankles and calves, but also the hamstrings and your lower back. For this pose, the only contraindications we have are avoid it if you have a back or neck injury and if you are pregnant. So if those do not apply, then we're going to get started. Please remember to like and subscribe and leave me a comment below, please. I really could use the feedback and help my channel grow. We're going to start in mountain pose. You want to go ahead and get your shoulders back and down, nice straight spine. We're going to inhale our hands up, swan dive forward into a forward fold. As we come into the forward fold, taking our hands to our elbows, allowing your neck to just relax, gazes down and back. Knees are slightly bent, and you're just going to hold this pose. This is typically a yin pose, where they will hold this pose for an extended period of time. When you come on up, we're going to round up. Go ahead and releasing our hands, rounding up one vertebrae at a time, bringing our shoulders back and down. There is a variation for this pose that's going to give you a little more stretch, different stretch through the hamstrings. We're going to actually bend our knees and rest our stomach on our thighs. So we're going to go ahead and start the same base. Feet are hip width apart, nice and straight. We're going to inhale our hands up. Exhale as we swan dive forward, bringing our elbows to our hands, slightly bend the knees, resting our stomach on our thighs. This is a supported version of Ragdoll, which will really open up and stretch through the hips and the lower back and the hamstrings more. All right, I hope you had a great time and keep up the practice of yours. Check out this video that I've got using Ragdoll inside your yoga flow. All right, have a great day. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click that notification button.